Hello everyone, my name is Marcos and today we're gonna be trying Aqua Wax number 3. Stay tuned for the tips. Nishman number 3 Aqua Wax with an amazing fragrance of tropical mango. It will give you long-lasting style for your hair with medium shine, which it will last throughout the whole day.
When I hold that crown, my life been good and bad and all around. The more things I lost, the more I found. One thing I taught myself to do, no matter the problem, refuse to lose. So how you want it, man? You can choose. If you can't take the heat, don't light the fuse. See, I walk in slow and ignite the room like fire. Everything I touch, I consume. I'm getting up while y'all just snooze. While you make breakfast, man, I'm on the move. I'm the first one in and the last one out. Whoever owns the place gotta drag me out. In me I trust, yes.
Thank you for choosing Nishman products and stay tuned for more tips. See you next video. Bye bye.